Welcome to the video, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to play Kompa with this easy framework. I call it the A-B pattern. I noticed when I was in church, I was playing Kompa and I noticed, no. I was sitting down at church, and in this Haitian church, of course. It was around when I was like 7, 8 years old, 9 years old, around that time. I figured out, I saw this one guitar player and he was playing Kompa, and I always wanted to play Kompa, of course, right? So I watched how he played, and I realized he kept going back and forth to this one specific groove. Back then, I didn't even know it was a groove, but I just realized he had a one pattern going back and forth. And keep in mind, I was young, so I knew a lot about patterns now because they taught me this in school. But like I said, I saw him doing this one pattern, and when I started grabbing the guitar and figuring out how to play Kompa myself, that's when I implemented what he did into this. So I was like, all right, let me figure this out. And that's when I figured out, Kompa has an A-B pattern. And it's a lot easier than you think. If you think Kompa is complicated, it's not. Really, everyone is doing the same pattern. Of course, there could be the pros out there that be doing different types of patterns, but the core basics of it is just an A-B pattern. Let me show you an example. I just dropped my pick, but give me a second. All right, so here's a popular song that easy groove that you must have heard on YouTube before. So this is a popular easy groove that you must have heard, but here's how it works. The A pattern is this, and the B pattern goes like this. And all it is just going in the same pattern over and over and over and over again until you like switch up a groove or something like that. But it's just that. It's that simple. You don't have to make it complicated. I mean, if you want to, you can make it complicated, but that's just the core basics of it. All right. And that's just wanted to reveal that to you. And yeah, hopefully your Kompa journey is going to go, your Kompa journey is going to go well. All right. You got to trust that. Hopefully you took down those notes, because those notes, if you got that down, it's going to get even better for you. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next one.